Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Time. It is the one thing every human being is given equally, rich or poor, young or old, powerful or weak. We all receive 24 hours a day. But how we use those hours decides the story of our lives. Some people use time to build dreams, some use it to love and to grow, and some waste it without realizing they are spending their life. This is the story of a man who thought he had forever. A man who believed tomorrow would always come. A man who learned the value of time when it was already too late. This is the story of Samuel, and this is his message to you. Don't waste time. My name is Samuel. I am 84 years old. When I was young, I believed life was endless. I believed tomorrow would always be waiting for me. I believed there was always more time, time to dream, time to play, time to laugh, time to work, time to live. When I was 18, my heart was full of ambition. I wanted to become successful. I wanted to make my parents proud. I wanted to travel the world and build something meaningful. But I also loved comfort. I loved sleeping late. I loved easy pleasure. I loved avoiding hard work. I kept saying, I will start tomorrow. I am still young. I have time. Those words became my daily fear, and slowly they became my biggest lie. Tomorrow became next week. Next week became next year. And suddenly I was 35. I had a job, but not a dream. I had money, but not purpose. I had friends, but not direction. Every morning I woke up tired, not because my body was weak, but because my soul was empty. I watched others chase their dreams. I told myself I will do it later. Later never came. There was a woman named Clara. She loved me when I had nothing. She believed in me when I doubted myself. She would say, Samuel, you were meant for more than this life. Don't hide from your future. But fear controlled me. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of starting over. So I chose safety instead of courage. I chose comfort instead of growth. One night she said, I can't wait forever for you to become who you promised to be. And she left. I thought she will come back. I still have time. She never did. At 50, my parents grew old. My father's hands shook. My mother's eyes grew tired. Every night, my mother prayed for me. Every day, my father encouraged me. One evening, my father said, Son, life is short. Use your time wisely. Don't waste your youth. I smiled and said, I will dad. One day, 1 year later, they were gone. Not just because I lost them, but because I lost my chance to make them proud. Regret is heavier than any coffin. At 60, my strength faded. At 70, my friends disappeared. Some died, some moved away. The house became silent. The nights became long. The memories became loud. I began counting my mistakes, the books I never read, the skills I never learned, the love I never gave, the chances I never took. Life never warned me that I was near the end. It simply kept going. Now I am 84 years old. Every morning I sit by the window. I watch young people walk by with energy and hope. They laugh. They talk about tomorrow. They think they have forever. And I want to cry out. You don't. Time is not patient. Time does not wait. Time does not care about your excuses. Money can return. Health sometimes can return. But time never returns. To the young listening to my voice today, don't waste your mornings. Don't waste your youth. Don't waste your chances. Your future is being written by what you do today. Not tomorrow, not next year, today. Choose discipline over distraction. Choose purpose over pleasure. Choose growth over comfort. One small decision today can change your entire life tomorrow. My name is Samuel. I am 84 years old. This is my story. This is my regret. This is my warning. Time is life. Life is choice. Choice is everything. Don't waste time. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel.